one of the most historic aircraft we have a lot of historic aircraft. Look at this beautiful Stearman. Gonna just let him get a little bit of altitude here, and then let me tell you about the pilot and this airplane. And there's a reason why I call it very historic. This is a Boeing Stearman. All right, gotta let him climb up there. Stearman was built by the Boeing Aircraft Company. Thousands, like 11,000 of them were built. Serial number one crashed. Serial number 2 is in a museum. Serial number 3 is flying in front of you right now.
Whoa.
Kevin Mayer is the pilot of this aircraft. The farm kid from Ladner, BC, lives in Oliver now. He used to have to ride his bicycle to the